Ever heard of the Kraken? That mythical sea monster, lurking in the depths, ready to unleash a watery apocalypse? But have you ever wondered, where does this mythical beast actually call home? Is there a specific country whispered about in ancient sailor tales, a land forever associated with the Kraken's wrath? Let's dive deep into the murky waters of mythology and uncover the truth, or lack thereof, behind the Kraken's supposed homeland. The Kraken, a creature of immense size and terrifying power, has captivated imaginations for centuries. From Norse sagas to modern-day pop culture, its legend has endured. But unlike, say, dragons, which seem to have a global presence in mythology, the Kraken's origins are a bit more localized. Early accounts often place the Kraken in the icy waters of the North Atlantic, a region notorious for its treacherous storms and unpredictable currents. This makes sense, doesn't it? A creature of such immense power would surely thrive in a harsh and unforgiving environment. But is there a single country that truly lays claim to the Kraken? A nation forever shrouded in the shadow of this monstrous beast? Let's explore a few contenders. Norway. As a major seafaring nation with a rich history of Viking legends, Norway seems like a prime candidate. The icy waters surrounding the Scandinavian peninsula certainly fit the Kraken's image. Plus, Norse mythology is rife with tales of monstrous sea serpents, providing fertile ground for the Kraken legend to flourish. Iceland. This island nation, born from fire and ice, has a unique and often eerie landscape. Legends of monstrous creatures are deeply ingrained in Icelandic folklore, and the sheer power of nature there could easily inspire tales of a colossal sea beast. Greenland. This vast and largely uninhabited island, with its immense glaciers and unpredictable weather, has a truly otherworldly feel. It's the kind of place where legends of terrifying creatures could easily take root and thrive. Delving deeper. But here's the thing, pinpointing an exact country for the Kraken is tricky. Mythological fluidity. Myths and legends are rarely confined by national borders. They travel, they evolve, they get embellished as they pass from one storyteller to the next. The Kraken, in its journey across time and cultures, likely morphed and changed, absorbing elements from various maritime traditions. The Kraken as a symbol. Perhaps the Kraken's true home isn't a specific country, but rather the vast and mysterious ocean itself. It represents the unknown, the fear of the deep, the unpredictable forces of nature that sailors have always faced. The role of literature. Of course, literature has played a significant role in shaping our perception of the Kraken. Jules Verne's 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea. This classic novel vividly describes a colossal squid battling Captain Nemo's submarine, further solidifying the Kraken's association with the deep sea. Modern interpretations. From the pages of fantasy novels to the silver screen, the Kraken continues to evolve. It's a versatile creature, adaptable to various settings and narratives. The Kraken today. Today, the Kraken remains a powerful symbol. It represents not only the fear of the unknown but also the enduring fascination with the mysteries of the deep. Scientific discoveries. While the Kraken itself is a mythical beast, the deep sea continues to reveal incredible creatures, from giant squid to colossal octopuses. These real-life wonders remind us that the ocean still holds countless secrets, and the possibilities for discovery are endless. So, to answer the original question, what country is the Kraken in? The answer may be elusive. Perhaps it's not about a specific nation, but rather about the vast and awe-inspiring power of the ocean itself. The Kraken's true home may be found in the collective imagination of humanity, a shared fear and fascination with the unknown depths. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.